Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MissEnocha for those who are new here, and today we have a new DIY. We are making these chain loafers. These were completely inspired by JW Anderson's loafer. It's like an open back slide loafer that has a big chain on it, and I was like, oh my goodness, I want to make a shoe like that has a big huge chain on the top. This is the biggest that I could find. I really wanted to do it even bigger, but I'm glad I found these because they're still really funky and cool and so easy to make. So I'm going to show you how I made these shoes. Keep watching this video. For this DIY, you're going to need loafers, leather cord, chain link, marking pen, glue, and a ruler. First thing you're going to do is measure out your leather cord. This is what you're going to use to hold the chain link on. So depending on your shoe is going to determine how much you need. I did about 4 inches for each side of the loafer. I overestimated, but it's better to overestimate and then you can cut off the rest later. Next, you want to find the center of your shoe with the chain. You want to just mark where you want to put the chain on the shoe. Once you have your positioning, you're going to pull out your leather cord and you're going to glue it onto the shoe. Once you mark where you're going to put your leather cord, you're just going to glue it onto the shoe. I'm only gluing one side right now, and then I'm going to loop it through the chain link once I glue the other side, and then I'll glue it together. So you don't want to glue the loop just yet. You want to just glue one side, glue the other side, and then you're going to add your chain. So when adding the chain, I'm just looping the cord into it, and then I'm going to glue the cord down, and that's going to create a loop. And like I mentioned, I overestimated how much cord I needed, so I'm just going to trim off the extra piece. And that's it. I love an easy DIY. These are really cool. They look funky, they look chic, and I can't wait to wear them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.